Hello and welcome to Know-It-All Haven. I'm Thomas, and today I'll be your guide into the world of shimmering metallic finishes. Have you ever gazed at the glossy, mirror-like fittings on luxury handbags and wondered how they get that distinct chrome look? Or maybe those dazzling car rims, or even the handles on doors that seem to almost glow with their silvery shine? Well, the answer lies in a beautiful combination of chemistry and craftsmanship. Today, we'll uncover the science behind how that iconic chrome color is created, especially on bag fittings, and why chrome is so much more than just a pretty face. Let's start from the beginning. What exactly is chrome? Chrome, or more formally chromium, is a chemical element with the symbol Cr and atomic number 24. As a pure metal, chromium is incredibly hard, features a silvery sheen, and is especially renowned in industry for two things: its remarkable resistance to corrosion and its ability to create dazzling, mirror-like surfaces. These properties make it a superstar when it comes to decorative and protective coatings. That's why you'll spot it everywhere, from high-end handbags to kitchen appliances. But how does that gorgeous chrome color, that slick, almost liquid shine, actually get onto metal bag fittings? The answer is a process called chroming, or sometimes chrome plating. It's a bit like giving metal objects a technological spa day involving chemistry, electricity, and meticulous attention to detail. Here's how it goes, step by step. Step 1. Surface preparation. Before anything chrome-related happens, the fittings are carefully cleaned to remove every trace of grease, dirt, or surface oxide. This step is absolutely crucial because any imperfection left beneath the surface would ruin the mirror finish everyone loves. Step 2. Rinsing and etching. Next, those squeaky clean fittings are bathed in special solutions to further prep the surface. This chemical treatment not only takes care of any leftovers from the cleaning, but also slightly roughens the surface on a microscopic level so the layers to come can grip better. Step 3. Applying the base coat. For the ultimate shine, a base coat, typically of nickel, is first laid down. The nickel smooths out the surface and provides a perfect foundation for the chrome, improving how well it adheres and enhancing the final brilliance. Step 4. Actual chrome plating. Now the magic really happens. The fitting is immersed in an electrolyte bath containing chromium compounds, most commonly chromic acid. When an electrical current passes through the bath, chromium ions are drawn out and meticulously deposited onto the surface of the item, creating a remarkably thin but powerful chrome layer. Think of it as high-tech metal painting, atom by atom. Step 5. Finishing and quality check. After plating, the piece is rinsed, dried, and then lovingly inspected. The goal is an immaculate, glassy surface. Any blemish means going back to the drawing board. So why does chrome dazzle with that spectacular shine? The answer is all about smoothness and how light interacts with it. A properly applied chrome layer is perfectly even at a microscopic level, turning it into a mini mirror that reflects light almost perfectly. The smoother the underlying metal and the nickel base coat, the more intense and pure that mirrored effect becomes. But here's something that might surprise you. Traditional chrome finishes are almost colorless. What our eyes interpret as chrome color is actually a near-perfect reflection of the surroundings, giving us that silvery, metallic luster. Thanks to modern chemistry, though, you can now find chrome coatings in an array of hues: jet black, deep blue, dazzling gold. These are achieved with dyes, or by introducing other layers under or over the chrome. Why do designers and manufacturers love chrome for handbag fittings and beyond? Here are a few top reasons. Corrosion resistance. Chrome is like armor for metals, protecting them from rust and oxidation. Decorative brilliance. That striking shine elevates even the simplest objects, making them look more luxurious and prestigious. Easy to clean. The surface is smooth and tough, so fingerprints and dirt wipe right off. Longevity. High-quality chrome plating, applied correctly, will keep your fittings looking pristine for years to come. To sum it all up, the seductive shine of chrome on bag fittings is a triumph of surface chemistry, modern technology, and design. By harnessing electrochemistry, manufacturers craft a thin, ultra-smooth chrome layer that not only looks stunning, but also serves as a shield against the elements. So next time you admire a glossy detail on your purse or car, you'll know you're looking at a marriage of art and science. If you enjoyed today's deep dive into the world of chrome and love discovering the hidden science in everyday things, make sure to subscribe to Know It All Haven. I'm Thomas, and I'll see you next time for more fascinating stories from the world of science and technology.